What is going on, guys? In today's video we are going to finally be putting some headlights on my girlfriend's Mark 6 TDI. The headlights we're going with are Vland Mark 8 style. Personally, that's something different that not a bunch of people put on their Mark 6s, simply because they just came out within the last year or two, I believe. My car has Osram headlights on it and everybody kind of loves these headlights. They're very expensive, but we got a killer deal on these headlights. And we also got taillights coming in for her car as well, which is going to be next week's video. But anyway, that's enough talking. Let's go ahead and get into this install. I'll try to make it as in-depth as I can, and I'll see you guys in a second.
Okay, those are sick.
So when you're removing the bumper itself, because the bumper has to come off, I'm going to show you the screws that you have to get out from the fender liner area. So they are right here. So you have one up here where the fender and the bumper meet. You have this one, that one, and I believe those two as well. So when you're getting the headlights out, you want to go 1, 2, 3, and then this one right here. And then you also have to unplug this. Good luck, it's a pain. You pretty much pull this one like you're opening a door, like you're pulling it like this. You pull the clip out, and then it's gonna pop out. And this is pretty much, well, this side is what it'll look like. So you want this, you want to, if I were to be pushing up with my thumb, flicking it, that's what you want to do. All right, it's time to do the big reveal, sort of. Dun, 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 dun. Doop. That looks pretty good. Yeah. So when you're putting the clips for the bumper back in, they're prone to bending. So like what we did, we took a little flathead. The bumper itself is going over top of the clips, not under. So we took a flathead and kind of pushed up as we pushed the bumper in, and it actually lines up literally perfect. This side's not, because it's not clipped in, but once it's obviously in, completely perfect. So if you need to, send a flathead up there and bend the clips so that they can go over top of the clips attached to here. That looks good. All right.
Come back out.
So I can put the back down. Oh. Okay, guys. So next day, the headlights were pointing at the ground. I'm going to show you guys how we adjusted these. So if we pull these out, you're going to have to unplug your harness here. You're going to take off this cap that goes right here, and then there is a Phillips down right here. There it is. And you pretty much want to turn this counterclockwise, and that's going to change the level of it. Of course, it's Volkswagen, it's not easy, so you have to take the headlights completely out. This one might be high beams, we're not 100% sure, but each of them, you have to take this cap off, and then you have to move that counterclockwise.
RDMS.
The headlights turned out amazing. The only issue we ran into is that the sequential doesn't work. With these headlights right here on the long strip across the top, it's supposed to be sequential. So it is supposed to go all the way across, obviously. And for some reason, it just doesn't work. I believe she might need coating, which is strange because my buddy needed no coating when he did his. But all in all, gaps look decent. Headlights function pretty good. Make sure you pay attention to, before you install it, that you mess with the how high and low that the like light bulbs themselves like are facing, because hers were terrible. Hers were like pointing at the ground. I'll put a picture on the screen right here to show you guys how terrible it was at first. Gonna go ahead and wrap it up here. So thank you guys for watching. Next week's video, we are gonna be doing something else on her Mark 6 GTI related to these taillights right here. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Make sure you follow the Instagram if you haven't already. Like, comment, and subscribe. The weekly grind is still going, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See you guys later.